Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Former Northern MP Themba Mliswa has publicly commented on the late President Robert Mugabe's son, saying Bellarmine Chatunga should be thankful to President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration. Bellarmine is a very lucky young man, such that today he gets another chance at life, Mliswa wrote. It has been very generous to their family after all that he endured at their hands, he added. Mliswa questioned the family's land holdings, stating they still have multiple farms, some which are leased out, despite the one-man, one-farm policy, and the boys have failed to utilize that advantage. He claimed Bellarmine insulted the same president and went to stay in South Africa, but today is back home again, adding that any otherwise man would change his behavior. The politician further alleged that the other brother has been involved in drugs, calling it staggering given that Mugabe is an African icon and his legacy deserves better behavior from these boys. He called for an end to violence and erratic behavior, ending with Shona saying, "Tofanira kubika doro kumusha kwana kushungo because mepo dzacho dzawandisa," a cultural reference to conducting traditional rituals at Mugabe's homestead. The Mugabe family has not publicly responded. Robert Mugabe died in 2019. His sons Bellarmine and Robert Jr. have previously been in the news over incidents in South Africa and Zimbabwe. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.